Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. Now, sometimes we design a file and then the file becomes too big. Just recently realized that I was designing advanced flyers for you guys and I was showing you guys how to do it. But the problem is it's not even actually a problem. The issue is that when we are done, the file becomes quite big, 20 megabyte. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. You can see I designed this poster guys just recently, right? It's on my channel. Now when I'm done, you can see we have 17 megabyte. 70 megabyte. Also another one that I just did recently. Let's check it out and see. All right, where are you? Okay, so this work I also did, you can see it is what, 20 megabyte. All right, so most of I'm having comments down in the in Telegram and sometimes even on my YouTube channel under one of the videos, that how do we make the video or the picture quality a little bit lesser. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I'm not going to talk much. I just want to show you how to do that. First and foremost, we need to open the file. Okay, so there's it. We need to open it. All right, and then let me show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to open it with Photoshop. I don't want to talk too much in this video, but I just want to explain to you how to not get that high quality anyway, but how to compress the file. Okay, so once you are done with everything, okay, you can see I'm going to do it, but I'm not going to save it because I want everything to be still intact. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Control Shift and then E. Control Shift and then E. It merges all the visible layers into one. Okay, and then it just leaves it like that. Okay, so that's what I want to do. You can see I've merged everything into one. I'm going to click over here. Now everything is over here. All right, now I can save it. Control Alt and then S. All right, and then I go and I select picture. Okay, or JPEG, and I click over here. Now you're going to see the difference. You can see we have 10 here. It has even reduced. I can push it all the way down to what? To the middle here, 5 over here, and we have 1.7 megabyte. Now this, I can deal with this. Okay, and then I'll click on OK. And then it will save for us. Okay, so let's go and see. There is it, 1.7 megabyte. If you love this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget, guys, do not forget to comment as well. I love you all. See you in the next one. Peace out.